Hi everyone, this is Dina. I recently purchased the Sony WF-1000XM4. I've been using it for a few weeks now. Let me tell you more about it. Equipped with Sony's signature crystal clear pure sound, these earbuds deliver superb audio quality. The exceptional sound quality is achieved with the integrated processor V1 and supported LDAC codec. Furthermore, the highly efficient 6mm drivers ensure that you will feel every beat of every single song you are listening to. The earbud tips are designed for a more stable fit so you can wear the earbuds for longer hours with comfort. These earbuds also offer wireless charging for a cable-free experience. The inbuilt digital noise cancellation feature ensures that you can place crystal clear voice calls. Once fully charged, the earbuds deliver about 24 hours of music playback time. With the IPX4 rating, these earbuds are sweat and water resistant, hence you can comfortably don them during sweaty workouts. Furthermore, you can also adjust the ambient sound settings and the sound levels depending upon your convenience. These earbuds are available in two color variants, black and silver. These Sony earbuds not only provide great audio output but are apt for daily use.